Welcome to Golden Career. Today I will tell you how to solve problem related to blood relation. Blood relation is also an important topic. So there is actually two type of questions. One is just a minute. Based on coded relationship. Coded relationship. And another is based on family tree. You can also solve the question without a family tree, but if there is a puzzle, then it is very difficult to solve the question without a family tree. If the question is related to family tree, then there will be only 1 to 2 questions in your exam. And if questions based on coded relationship, then there will be 3 to 5 questions. And if there is puzzle, then there will be 5 questions. So it is very important topic because you don't know how many questions can be available in exam. So today we will cover the complete topic. We will take questions based on family tree. First we will learn how to make family tree, then we will take some questions based on family tree. After that we will solve a puzzle, and then we will take pointing to a pointing photograph problem, and then we will learn how to solve coded relationship. So to solve the questions related to blood relation, first you must have idea about relations. So I have already written here, these are some relations which you have to learn. Mother's or father's son will be your brother. So this is the table, you must learn it. So family tree, there are some rules regarding family tree. You have to denote male with plus sign. Denote male with plus sign. Female with minus sign. If there is a couple, then you will denote it with curved line, or you can also denote it with double line. Generation gap, vertical line, and if there is same generation, then horizontal line. Suppose if you are talking about someone's father, then there will be generation gap. Father is another generation and the son is another generation. And if you are talking about someone's brother or sister, then it will be the same generation. So write down all these rules in your notebook. I'm also removing this table. Hopefully you have noted all the relations. So now we will take our first question. So here is the first question. A and B are brother, C and D are sister. A's son is D's brother, then how is B related to C? So A and B are brother means this is the same generation. A and B are brother, and A and B are brother, it means both are male. C and D are sister. Now write C and D is here. C and D are sister, it means both are female. Write minus sign here. A's son is D's brother. A's son is D's brother. It means someone will come here because A's son is D's brother. So D, this D will come here, and D and C is sister. C, female and female. So how is B related to C? B is here and C is here. A son, C and D are brother and sister. It means D is daughter of A and B is brother of A. So how is and C is also daughter of A. So how is B related to C? B is uncle of C. I have already told you father's brother will be your uncle. Let's take one more example. A is brother of B. A is brother of B. B and A is brother of B. A will be here as A is brother, so A will be male. C is mother of D. C is mother of D. Right here, C is mother of D. It means C negative, C is female, mother of D. Here is generation gap. C is mother, so we will draw a vertical line. C is mother of D. K is sister of D. K is sister of D. So K and D will be siblings. K is sister of D. As K is sister, so we will mention minus sign here. B and K are daughter of P. B and K are daughter of P. It means B and K are daughter of P. That means B and K will also be siblings. So K is, look, D and K are siblings and C is mother of D. It means C is also mother of K, and K is daughter of P. It means P will be plus, and here curved line, because P and C are husband and wife. And B and K are daughter of P. It means B is also female. And gender of D is not confirmed. So first question is, how is P related to D? How is P related to D? So P is father of D. First answer will be father. Now second question is, how is D related to P? How is D related to P? So D related to P. So gender is not confirmed. So D will be either son or daughter of P. So let's take a little bit difficult question. This question, actually this is a puzzle. Six persons of a family A, B, C, D, E and F are psychologist, manager, advocate, jewelers, doctor and engineer, but not in the same order. There is two married couple in the family. Doctor is grandfather of F, who is a psychologist. Manager D is married to A. C, who is a jeweler, is married to advocate. B is the mother of E and F, and E is a male, and F is the sister of E. Okay, so first clue is, there is two couples in the family. Doctor is grandfather of F, means doctor is grandfather of F. Right, doctor here. Doctor is grandfather, it means it will be male, is grandfather of F. So F will be here. Who is a psychologist? So we will write PSY. Who is a psychologist? Manager D is married to A. Manager D is married to A. So we cannot put D or A anywhere in the tree. So right here, manager D is married to A. D married to A, and D is a manager. C, who is a jeweler, is married to advocate. C, who is a jeweler, is married to advocate. B is the mother of E. B is the mother of E. B is the mother of E and F. It means F and E will be siblings. B is the mother of E and F. E will be here. B is the mother of E and F. E is a male. E is a male. And F is the sister of E. F is the sister of me, so here gender of F is also clear. F will be female. And B is the mother of E and F. So C, who is a jeweler, manager D is married to A. Manager D is married to A. C, who is a jeweler, is a married to advocate. C, who is a jeweler, married to advocate. So we can put C here, and he is a jeweler. He is married to advocate. Advocate. And B is the mother of E and F. So we can write B here. Is female, then it will be male. Now manager D is married to A. So here only A comes because he is married to a manager, and that is D. And as the sign of doctor is plus, then is wife D. We will mention minus here, minus sign here, and D will be manager. So in this way we have solved the puzzle. Now I have taken a question which is related to pointing to photograph. These type of questions are very easy. You can solve these questions within 30 to 35 seconds. Pointing to a person in a photograph, Anjali says, he is the only son of the father of my sister's brother. What you have to do is you have to underline the relations. He is the first relation is only son, second relation is of the father, and third relation is my sister's brother. And name it 1, 2, and 3. What you have to do is you have to solve the query from this direction. It means 3, 2, and 1. Now, sister's brother. Your sister's brother means your brother. Your brother's father. Your sister's brother means your brother. And your brother's father. Your brother's father means your father. He is only son. So only son, it means it will be her brother. Anjali's sister's brother means Anjali's brother, and Anjali's sister's brother, father of Anjali's sister's brother will be the father of Anjali, and his only son will be Anjali's brother. So how is that person related to Anjali? The answer will be he is brother of Anjali. So friends, here is the next question based on coded relationship. A plus B means A is father of B. A minus B means A is mother of B. A cross B means A is brother of B, and A asterisk B means A is sister of B. So we have to show R is paternal aunt of U and K is maternal uncle of L. So R is paternal aunt of U. So here is the U and here is the R. What we have to show is R is paternal aunt of U. It means R is the sister of U's father. So we have to, Here we have to assume a letter. You can assume any letter except R and U. Suppose I have taken S. So first you have to show the relation between S and U. It means you have to assume the father of U. I have taken S as a father of U. And now what we have to do is we have to show relation between R and S. So as we have to show paternal aunt, it means R will be the sister of S. So here is the relationship. R is paternal aunt of U. Now in second question we have to show K is maternal uncle of L. K is maternal uncle of L. Write K here and write L here. Again, K is maternal uncle of L. It means K will be brother of L's mother. So we have to assume the mother of L. I have taken T here, and if we have to show the relation of mother, we will use hyphen sign, and if we have to show the relation of brother, we will use cross. So this relation is K is maternal uncle of L. So in the exam you have to check the option. You have to assume a letter, you have to check the option, and then you will decide which answer is correct. So friend, this is all about blood relation. If you have any doubt, please comment below. I will try to solve your query, and please do subscribe our channel so that you can get updates easily. Thank you for watching.